What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex and we're going to be going over a really nice play for you guys, and this is going to be on a nice penny stock, WPG, which is sitting at a price point of $1.53. It's been beaten down pretty bad last Friday, and this is a really good dip buying opportunity for the stock. A lot of momentum. Last week, earlier in the middle of the week, when support.com stock absolutely exploded, so this stock also rallied 50% in a day. Before pulling back. Of course, when something runs up this quick, it needs some time to cool off. People want to take profits, so this is very normal price action, and it's kind of stabilizing around this price point. So really nice opportunity, really cheap stock that has a lot of profit potential. Now, the reason why I pulled up highest implied volatility on barchart.com, WPG has really high implied volatility options, mainly at this October 15th date for the put side. So this is going to be a really nice opportunity. It seems like a lot of people are selling some cash secured puts, in fact, on this stock. So really high implied volatility. They're anticipating a pretty big move. We don't know what direction it's going to go in, but there's a lot of potential with the stock, especially if GameStop earnings has a really huge movement. It's definitely going to bring up all of these other retail stocks, such as WPG, along with it. Now, WPG, we don't really care too much about the fundamentals. It's definitely a retail stock that's following the overall retail, short squeeze movement. It's a real estate investment trust. Basically, they own a bunch of properties, retail properties. But overall, it's a retail stock in its own, and it follows the movement of all these other quote-unquote meme stocks. So there's a lot of opportunity, whether you want to play call options, which is going to only cost you a few dollars. $10 gets you a 2.5 strike call option expiring in 2 weeks. So if you have some spare chains, you want to gamble a little, buying one or two of these call options is not going to be that bad of an idea. But of course, implied volatility is pretty high, so the best strategy on this stock, especially for people with small accounts who want to sell some cash secured puts but can't really afford those higher price stocks, selling some options is going to be pretty good. So there's two plays. Obviously, the October 15th expiration date is going to be the most popular, as we saw here. We're going to sort by the symbol. For WPG, October 15th expiration date is what all the money is being poured into. So a lot is being poured into the $1 strike right here. So we head over to the October 15th expiration date. Let's get rid of this over here. And the $1 strike, it's going to give you $15 of premium for this October 15th date. So if we take a look here, collateral is going to be $100. Our minimum credit is going to be $15. This is a really high probability of profit, 67%, and also a really nice return on your collateral. Of course, it's going to be very risky, so do this at your own risk. This is high implied volatility stock. It's definitely a meme stock, so there could be a big price movement on this stock. But the good news is that we're saving a lot of collateral, a lot of premium, and our cost basis, if we do end up getting assigned on this cash secured put, is going to be 85 cents per share, which means that WPG has to drop 50% from its current stock price in order for you to start losing money. And even then, 85 cents per share is a very nice dip buying opportunity for a lot of people, considering that the stock has all-time lows at $1.20-30. So it's never dipped below $1 before, and if it does, it's going to be a really nice dip buying opportunity. A lot of potential with this stock. So let's take a look at the profit potential, the ROI. It's going to be our collateral of $100 minus $15, $85 of collateral. Don't need that much money to sell a put on this stock, and that is going to be the safest way as well as the most profitable way to play this stock especially with options, because implied volatility is very high, which means the premiums are very inflated as well. So we want to do $15 divided by $85, 17.6% return in about a little over a month. So that's a really good return. It's not too crazy, not too low. But most people end up making around 10% return on the market, just buying and holding. So you're definitely beating the market in a month and a half, and that's a really, really nice, good opportunity for a lot of people, especially with those with small accounts. $15 credit doesn't seem like that much, but you don't need that much collateral, so you can sell multiple contracts if you wish, depending on how big your account is and how much buying power you have available. But if you want to play options, that would be the best way in my opinion, just because of how high implied volatility is. As we can see, it's over 200%, almost 300% on some of these contracts. If you want, you could sell some short-term puts as well, because implied volatility overall on the stock very, very high. You can sell a $1 strike, and it's going to be a 74% chance of profit. You'll receive $5 of premium. So this is not that bad. It's going to be about, let's calculate right now, 5.6% return in 2 weeks, because this is a September 17th expiration date if you want to do a shorter term options play. So that's going to be a really, really nice opportunity as well, and I'm definitely looking forward to selling a cash put on this stock, but of course I'm not going to be playing too much money into it. It's definitely risky. Implied volatility is very high. It's definitely a risky stock, and it can continue on this bear trend that it's going right now. But the good news is it's never seen below $1 in its price. Lowest is actually around $1.25. So it's very risky. Dividend yield is 17%, which is kind of concerning. But overall, I do think if you play some cash gift puts, you should be pretty good. So that's about it for this video. If it helped you anyway, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on WPG, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.